When I was around middle school, I never really had confidence in the way I walked, the way I talked, and I just remember dancing being that one thing that made me really happy. That's why I started dancing. Why dance? That's a very interesting question because even I don't know myself why dancing has been, my stress reliever, something that I constantly look for whenever I feel bad or whenever I'm feeling down. It was a great way for me to express myself, not just, on how I feel, but also on my creativity. I feel like everyone who gets into dancing will have a different reason as to why they dance. Like I have friends who dance because of fitness, friends who dance because it's a way for them to be creative. I feel like you need to dance to see the million of different possibilities that you could feel that you could do with your dancing. I have people tell me, wow, your dancing really made me feel different ways, and it made me feel sad, made me feel happy. I love being on stage. I love filming myself dance and uploading it on Instagram or just for people to see, because not just for myself, but because people would want to see this creative style of dancing. And I think you should dance because you need to give it a try. You'll never know how good it feels. You'll never know how liberating it will make you feel unless you try. That's why dancing.